This week, a panel of federal judges in San Antonio finally set a tentative date for the Texas primary on May 29th.
The trigger here is whether they have maps ready to go by March 3rd. If they do, then the election administrators say that gives them time to put together a May 29th election.
But first, the hard part. All sides, the state, Republicans, and Democrats in the legislature and Congress, have to agree on district lines, which must take into account so-called minority districts that reflect the massive growth of the state's Hispanic population.
To some extent, there's a battle over whether a district is a minority district or whether they're trying to call a district a minority district just to get a Democrat into office. And that's where a lot of the negotiations have hinged.
Jim Henson, director of the Texas Politics Project at UT Austin, says a late primary has implications for the presidential race.
The farther it gets pushed back, the better it is, frankly, for Mitt Romney. He has more money to sustain a campaign.
Locally, Henson says moving the original April date lowers turnout and helps candidates trying to defeat incumbents.
This gives challengers more time to raise money, to increase their name recognition.
So as we've seen in the past, the politics of redistricting remains unforgiving, especially to those charged with running municipal elections.
Hugely expensive, a huge amount of work. And what I would say in a more subtle way is what all this does is it increases the possibility of error in the electoral system.
In Austin with your Capital Buzz, this is Tan with the Texas Tribune.